Did you know that more than 80% of manufactured products fail and no one wants that product? But why? One of the most important aspects of starting a successful business is evaluating your ideas and choosing the best one. To do this, you need to be familiar with the golden triangle of idea evaluation. Let's take a look at the vertices of this triangle. The vertices of this triangle are idea, research, and initial deployment. Idea. It contains any sparks that come to your mind. The source of this inspiration can be obtained from market research, your experience in any particular industry, or even come from your expertise to solve a personal problem. Research. There is a process used to evaluate that idea. The output of this stage is to filter bad ideas from the good ones. Last but not least, initial deployment. This process contains test and learn and also fail fast methodology. First, the idea. Ideas are generally divided into different categories. First, vitamins, and the second one is painkillers. Vitamins are ideas that the user not face much trouble without them, like Instagram, and painkillers, otherwise the user will face much trouble. A startup idea evaluation may be the most vital matter, especially when you have many ideas or even you are not confident enough. Is it valuable to follow it for a long time? Think of a world that Einstein and Newton were not born, Bill Gates and Elon Musk do not exist. What a silent word, isn't it? All of these people have one thing in common: revolutionary ideas. The ideas that will change my life and the lives of millions of other people. Today, we are going to talk about the idea and its importance in starting a successful business. Theorists and researchers have different opinions about the importance of the idea. For example, a group puts it in the second place from 1 to 10. Here, I want to talk about how we can choose the best idea from the significant number of views around us and go step by step to implementation stage. First of all, I have to tell you, entrepreneurship is a challenging and time-consuming subject. So choose an idea that you can follow for a long time. Question: but how do I know what idea I can pursue for a long time? And the answer is, it is impossible to comment with certainty, but some tips can help you to find it. What's your interest? Take a piece of paper and write down 5 of your favorite things that you want to do. Ask your friends. Another way that can help is to ask your close friends about your strengths and weaknesses. This step makes you look at your abilities and capabilities from a distance. Now that you have both your favorites and your friends' opinion, you can choose one of the ideas you have. But I want to share a few essential things with you before selecting the final one. Your idea is classified into the following categories. First, solve a new problem without a proper solution. And second, making changes and modification in existing structures. Which category does your idea belong to? There are 2 different criteria for evaluating your idea: general criteria and functional criteria. In overall, it doesn't matter which category your idea belongs to. In any case, you must meet at least 75% of the general criteria. Is it profitable? Is it stable? Is it applicable? Is it scalable? Is it profitable? Creating sustainable profit should be the main priority of any business. Ensure to select the profitable idea. To ensure this, you must know or at least have an idea about the questions like this: what is the main problem you are trying to solve for your potential customers? Articulate it as simple as you can. Who are the potential customers? How many people have this problem? In other words, what is the size of the market? Is it stable? Your idea should become a sustainable business. Choose an idea based on supply and demand. For example, is the market stable or growing? If it's growing, at what annual rate? Is it applicable? Does my idea meet the needs of my potential audience and customers? How my idea benefit them? Is it scalable? One of your main concerns should be the issue of scalability. So you should make sure that the idea you choose can be expanded with minimal capital in the shortest time. Is it easy to grow our business with minimum investing and employees?